You searched how to buy shares of Groenlandsbanken AS. Groenlandsbanken AS is a banking company listed on CBOE EU under the ticker GRLACO, and this video is for educational purposes only, not financial advice. To buy the shares, you need a brokerage account, and we'll use eToro as an example to demonstrate the process. After registering, you will need to verify your account with an identity document and add funds before you can trade. Use the platform search field and type the ticker GRLA.co to locate the listing. Select the result that matches Groenlandsbanken AS on CBOE EU to ensure it is the correct stock. Open the stock page to review basic company information and the interactive price chart. Confirm the exchange shows CBOE EU and the ticker GRLA.co to verify you are on the right asset. Click Invest, enter the amount you want to buy, review the order details, and confirm the trade. If the market is closed, the order may be queued until the next session, and the platform will ask you to add funds if your balance is insufficient. Once executed, your open position will appear in your portfolio. For the eToro link and more details, check the description below.